How to use someone's code on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use someone's code on Temu. For this, you want to open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Once you have opened the app, make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you have a code given by someone and you want to redeem that code, then all you have to do is follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Here you can see there are different options such as your orders, your reviews, coupons, and offers. This is the option you want to tap into. Once you tap on coupons and offers, you have three different tabs here: unused, used, and expired. Here you can easily find your coupons. Now, if you have a coupon code given by someone and you want to use that, go ahead and tap on this box that says enter coupon code. Now, you want to enter the coupon code given by someone. Once you enter that coupon code, tap on the apply option next to that box. If the code that you have entered is correct, it will be successfully redeemed and then added on your Temu account. In this way, you can very easily use someone's code on Temu. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.